in practical part. So allow me to share the screen so that we see what we are going to cover. Okay. So the first session of our class is a registration of PIN. So we're going to do some registration for individuals, company. I don't think up to this age, there's no one who has a PIN. Or is there anyone who don't have the KRA PIN? So if you don't have the KRA PIN, be ready to register your own PIN here. And then the second session will be filing the VAT and pay. Remember, the filing of VAT is due on 20th of the following month. So we only have how many days? So today is what, 16? So we have 4 days so that we file the VAT for the last month. So that's another one, another assignment I will give you people so that you come with data. We do that filing here again and pay. Sorry. So we have pay as you want. We did for last month on the 9th of the following month. So we are waiting for the next month, that is June, so that we file for May. And then the annual return. The annual return, we are using ITR2, that is for the corporate, which are most of the companies now, they are finalizing on their tax period. So it depends with the accounting period of your company. That is for annual return. And then now the third session is reprinting the withholding tax. Remember, we have two types of withholding. We have withholding for VAT, which you claim immediately on 20th of the following month, and you have the withholding for tax, which you use to offset against the income tax when you are filing annual returns. And then we have now professional fee. Professional fees like the consultants. If you have a staff training, and that staff training, you need to deduct 5% before you pay that amount. And then again, you need to file it to KRA. Then the interest. And then another section, which is section 4. Section 4 is application of waiver. If you have some penalties or you are pending payment, you have not clear in your iTax, then you can apply for waiver, providing that your document is sufficient to what? To support your application. I'm saying your net is not stable, but I think it is okay now. And then we have tax assessment. Tax assessment, you are looking at the ledgers on iTax. So because your ledgers in your accounting system, maybe QuickBooks, Tally, any accounting system you are using, will at least reconcile with the iTax ledgers, because the iTax, the KRA people will use the one which is in iTax. They will not use the one which you have in your accounting system. So you make sure that the one which is on iTax is corresponding to the one which you have in your books of account. Then we have iTax finalization with the audit account and tax obligation analysis. So we are going to do analysis for VAT, payee, and all those obligations. And the last one is the statutory deduction. That is NSSF, NHIF, and we see how we generate the payment and get the receipt at the end of what? The end of that payment. So that's what we're going to cover. So I think anything there, then we will add on as we continue. So before we move to iTax side, is there any question for you guys?
I stand before you, fully aware of the obligation
So let me move to iTax ledgers so that we see. Kuna nini kule? So let me disable the screen for what we want to share the new one. Are you able to see the new window? Or you're still seeing the ama bado unaangalia the first one?
Kaleni wengi. Kaleni wengi.
So I hope everyone has been filing the return. And before you file, so you need to have an active Google Chrome or any such window, either Google Chrome, Firefox, whichever any drive which you're using to go for internet or Google. Once you are there, you just write iTax. So if you write iTax, the first page or the first search, you will see. So let's wait. Yes. So ukiandika iTax, the first page inakuja, this one, iTax KRA. So don't click this iTax online services. Ukiclick iTax KRA, itakupeleka the correct page. So let's wait to load. So in a lot pole, so sometimes the iTax portal inakuanga very slow, depending ni watu wangapi wana access. VAT is very due. So most of the people maybe want access that side.
Ulishika hiyo password. And copy this.
Okay, so here we are. So this is the iTax page.